Hey guys, welcome back to Digit, and today we have another special unboxing for you guys. We have with us the Galaxy Z Flip 4. So let me grab my tools and let's start with the unboxing of the device. So you see that there is obviously the phone in the box. There is some necessary documentation and a Type-C cable in here that you'd need to charge your phone, a SIM ejector tool to begin with, the Type-C cable that I mentioned, some documentation, and yes, of course, the centerpiece, the phone itself. So now that we've unboxed the Galaxy Z Flip 4, let me talk a little bit about my initial impressions of the device. I personally feel like this is a very nice device if you're a content creator, if you're an influencer, or just somebody looking for a very pocketable device that can be carried around without making you feel like you have a rock inside your pocket. It looks really sleek, it looks very interesting, it will catch eyeballs wherever you go. It has decent cameras from experience of it till now, and the crease on it don't really bother me too much as of this moment. So I will obviously be reviewing it further and giving you guys my in-depth take on it. But till then, keep watching our channel for more such content and follow us and subscribe to our channel for more such videos. Thanks for watching.